Hey guys, are you still crypto curious? That's what the Crypto Nomad YouTube channel is all about, on our website, cryptonomad.com. Had to slip in a little plug. I'm here to help you understand, help you wrap your head around crypto, cryptocurrency, blockchain, all these crazy terms that we keep hearing, and it seems like it's getting more popular, but it's becoming more mysterious. What is it? What really is it? What's it all about? That's what my channel is for. I remember years ago, I had a friend of mine that asked me if I knew anything about, or he asked me, he's like, what do you know about cryptocurrency?
What?
I was like, no, bro, that stuff ain't for me. I don't get involved in all that crazy stuff, because I thought it was some kind of scam or some kind of, I don't even know what I thought it was, but I was clueless. As you may be. This is why I say if you crypto curious, you just want to know what it is. I've taken my time to literally slow down as simple terms as is possible to help you really understand the basics of what cryptocurrency is. Now, cryptocurrency, like if I could just explain it in one little quick sentence, is digital money. It's not physical money. If you reach in your wallet right now, your purse or whatever, and you pull out paper money or nickels, dimes, and quarters if you live in America, then that is considered currency, the way you used to it. But digital currency is money that you spend on the internet. It's website money. Now, why is that important? I want you to think back. When I was a little kid, we used to make phone calls by putting our finger in a rotor dial phone, and you may not be old enough to remember this or even know what I'm talking about, but you dial that phone number using your finger going like this, one digit at a time. Now they got push button phones, touchscreen, and all this stuff. What's my point? That technology advanced. I remember when television was free. I can also remember the first cell phone that they invented. It was huge, man. It looked like a big notebook. You had to hold it like this right here. It had this big black antenna on it. And now you guys know how sophisticated a cell phone is. A cell phone now is basically a small handheld computer. My point is this. Back then, had somebody told us, hey, invest in that technology now because it's going to grow. And when it grows, the value or the stock of it grows. And crypto is not stock, but I'm making a point. The value of that item grows. You're going to make some money. That's why you need to learn about crypto, is because the technology is going to grow. It's going to advance. That digital currency called crypto or cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency, blockchain, is going to do nothing but advance. And I used to tell my kids all the time, technology will never decrease. Technology can't decrease. It will only increase. Hint, hint, clue, clue. If something can only increase, and you can make a profit off of that increase, why not? So that's what my channel is all about, to help you kind of connect the dots to really understand it. Because once you understand what cryptocurrency is all about, I promise you, you're gonna invest in it. That's a guarantee.